Loosen the two hose clamps securing the connection hose to the engine pipe using a 10 mm socket. Brake connection point seal using a flathead screwdriver. Remove the EGR crossover pipe with the EGR temperature sensor attached. Use the pinch clamp on the ventilation pipe and remove it from the valve cover. Remove all valve cover hold down bolts using a 3/8 ratchet extension with a 10 mm socket. All bolts securing the valve cover are held in by a rubber impregnated gasket and do not fully detach from the cover. The valve cover can now be removed as a unit with the hold down bolts. This exposes the overhead rocker arms and fuel delivery system. To rotate the engine, start by removing the plug on the front of the clutch housing assembly, next to the starter on the engine. This is done using a flathead screwdriver. Next, install the Volvo flywheel turning tool into the hole where the plug was. Be sure to engage the tool with the flywheel teeth. Next, turn the engine to one of the timing degree marks on the camshaft by using a 1/2-inch socket wrench and the Volvo flywheel turning tool. Turn slowly until the mark is between the stamped lines. Engine must be rotated in the normal direction of operation when advancing to the next mark. Reinstall all lifting arm bolts in the same location in which they were removed 1 through 13. Only tighten by hand at this time. Tighten the middlemost bolt of the shaft above the oil transfer tube bore with a 13 mm ratchet until it makes contact with the shaft. Then tighten one additional half turn.